All right, here's the part two. Okay, I got that. I'm screwing it. It's yellow. Okay. All right, I have a magnet on my screwdriver to make sure that the bolt don't drop. Sometimes when you drop it, it's a lot difficult to retrieve it. So I got the magnet. Okay, there you go. Now it's, man, the magnet's so powerful. Okay, now I'm gonna get rid of this. Not get rid, but take it off. There's no power on it, so wires is gone. What I'm gonna do is use my special tools that I bought. Okay, I'm gonna pause for now because I need to put like a screwdriver on this right here. Oop. Oop, oop. Right here. Okay, hold it. There you go. Alright, I use the screwdriver. Make sure I got like a leverage. Okay, what I'm gonna do is unscrew this and let me get back with you guys. Okay, part 3, you should complete everything now.